Yeah. Okay, guys, today we have an article from some paragraphs from uh, Rekha, and she is a solo backpacker, and she has written this title: "Is female solo backpacking safe in India?" Which is a nice title because she is writing something on demand. Okay, now I will tell you that how she has been writing this, and how this is actually, these keywords are serving the purpose, and how to find the keywords on which you should write. Okay, backpacking is a well-known concept used by passionate travelers since a long time, mostly in the European, American countries, and now gaining popularity in Asian countries, including India. When, if you talk about 20 years, 20 or 30 years back, years ago, then at that point of time, you might have been like, like uh, in the movies also, you might have seen many backpackers who were called hippies or something like this. Do you remember all this thing, that
Yes.
how we used to speak at that point of time? So now those things have been changing, but this is a really great concept, because I am also a backpacker, although I have not done so many solo trips as compared to Rekha, but I have also done some trips. Okay, I will share that information also. Though this concept is being widely used in recent years to gain a sense of freedom and independence over planning trips with friends or family members, we can see that the number of females choosing solo backpacking for traveling is quite minimal. It is not that our Indian girls do not show interest in choosing to be solo backpackers. In fact, they are quite fascinated with this concept. Who wouldn't? So over here, when she's writing, that is good, but we need to, as per language, we need to make some changes over here to make the sentence more meaningful. Okay, although it is fine, but then also, if some more changes are done, then I will just share with you how to do it. Okay, especially if an individual loves traveling and doesn't have to depend on any friend or family members to join as per their suitable schedule, one would not hesitate to plan such trips, right? But what about the safety assurance like this? Okay, so now she has written everything over here. So I just copied the text from here. It is very easy. Instead of sending in the email, just publish it over here, and I will just copy from here, and I will bring it over here like this, and I will paste it, and then I will edit it. Okay, so now I have given some article titles to the author's version. This is the author version. The author is Rekha. Is female solo backpacking safe in India? This is also a discussion type of title. Which title it is? Discussion. Okay. The second title is also discussion, which I made. Solo female travel in India. Is India safe? You can make like this also. Now, this is called a listicle type of title. Now, what is a listicle? A listicle is having points. Okay. You can write 10, although people use odd numbers, like 7 safety tips. You might have found this online all the time, 7 safety tips, or 9 tips about these things. Okay, like this. So 7 safety
Okay.
tips for solo female backpackers. Then interview type of title. Interview with Rekha, the solo backpacker. You can also make a title like this, and like write an article on that. Then another interview type. Oh, sorry. Another listicle will be there, which will be 11 hygiene tips for solo female backpackers, like this, because you are basically someone who needs to go outside, and you need to take care of the hygiene also when you're outside, because many times you won't be able to get everything on the mountains if you're going over there. Okay, or some secluded places over there, so you need to take care of the hygiene also over there. So now these are the examples of the titles that you can use. Okay, although this title is good enough, and I will share that why it is a good title. Okay, now she has only given the paragraphs, and that's fine, because I asked only the paragraphs to be written. Now I have added a summary over here. See, the title is the most important thing through which your reader is going to go inside your article. The reason is, I will just share with you. Suppose I'm just writing this title in Google search. Okay, so I'm just going over there. I'm opening a Google window, and I'm typing, copying this over there and pasting, and then you can see that we have got a lot of articles related to these keywords. Okay, so now when we'll go down, this is the article title. Now, if these article titles are basically attention grabbing, catchy, effective, then the person is going to read the summary. Now, what is the summary? This is the summary. Now, this summary is not going to appear in your main title, main article, sorry, inside when the person will click it. The reason is this, that this is also called metadata for websites. The way there is metadata for websites, in the same way for any article we called it summary. Okay. But this summary should also be something which should be very calling. It should be calling. It should be actually bringing in the right or connecting with the right audience, targeted audience. Got my point? If you got my point, please type yes, got your point in the comment box over there in the chat box. Okay, now we're going to back to the article. Okay, fine. Thank you for your comments. Appreciate it. Thank you, Tanishka, Ravinder, Ajay, Rekha. Got it. Fine. So now the summary, we will read the summary which I have written. I have written a very simple type of summary to make it very clear to you in very like in layman terms. Simply, are you a working woman thinking about your first solo trip in India? Are you concerned about your safety while on the trip? Now, with these two sentences, which are going to be displayed in the Google or in the search engine, we have ensured that the people who are going to join our or who are going to read our articles are only the ones who are interested in our stuff, who are interested in our content, category, subject, whatever you want to say it, or micro niche. This is basically a micro niche. Okay, I will tell you about the niches also, and it will take some time. First of all, let's focus on the summary now. Are you a working woman thinking about your first solo trip? Now, woman part is clear. This is clear over here. Working or not working, that is not an issue. No worries, so we will leave it. Then solo trip. Now, solo trip is the keyword over here. Okay, so we have covered these keywords which are available in the article title, solo, female or woman, and trip. With the trip, you can match backpacking. Okay, so now, are you concerned about your safety while on the trip? Like this. Okay, so now comes the point, the safety. Safety is the keyword over here. So you need to ensure that at least 3 or 4 of your main keywords are covered in your first 2 sentences. Please note it down. This is $1 million value knowledge that I'm sharing with you right now. These things will only be shared by people who know about the search engine optimization. Okay, this is a part of SEO. So please note it down over there right now. Now you will say after that, first of all, you are connecting with the target audience. And after that, you're writing, if yes, then you don't have to worry, as through this article, you're going to get some practical tips from an experienced solo female writer. Now, from here, they are connecting with you directly. They are related to you. If they are aspiring backpackers, then they will say that let us get the free benefit from an experienced solo female traveler, because you will be giving them a lot of tips, and that is for sure. So now they are very, very sure about you to go inside and start reading your article. Now, from till this part, from the title part to summary part, I will not go to the introduction. First of all, let us go ahead and do some discussion over here. I would like to see that what is your understanding from this part right now. We'll go further in that. We have time till 9:30, so you can have your dinner after 9:30 today. Let's make it a very serious session today. Okay. So now, Rekha, you have written this, given this these paragraphs.
Yes.
Now, what all benefits you have got in the last 20 minutes? Did you learn something
I
new?
The important points that you just gave. I
Hmm.
mean, it's really a cherry on all the writings that anybody can, have.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, some things that I've written down, and I thought it's really important, is where you put the title in Google search and then found the keywords. And these things are something which I never knew or probably did not click my mind. For me, writing was something like, okay, just go on writing, show your creativity in writing and the knowledge.
Now there are two more value doses which I'm giving to all of you right now. Please note them down. Type Google Trends in Google search and add your keyword over there. Okay. Whatever keyword, whatever topic you're going to write, you need to add that keyword over there in Google Trends and find the search volume. Then what is trending? There will be figures like this. Okay. There will be a chart. You need to read the chart, find that what is going to work for you in the long term and also in the short term, because in the short term you need to pull up immediately, become viral, and then you need to go for the evergreen content, okay, in the long term. So now this is one thing. Okay, next website is answerthepublic.com. Okay, go to answerthepublic.com. Although after 3 searches it will be asking you for some fees, but still you can just go ahead and use it for free in the beginning. Okay, when you will go over there, then just enter your content, your keyword over there, and when you will enter the keyword, don't enter very long tail keywords. Okay, enter short keywords of 2 words or something. Okay, like solo backpacking or solo backpacking for females. That's it. Don't enter a complete title over there. Okay, when you will click on that, then a circle of all the searches which are done by real users from around the world, millions of people, will open up in front of you. Okay, from those searches you need to click and check which ones are having the least amount of searches in Google. Okay, now how you will see those searches? If you're not able to understand this, I'm just going to share with you right now in the screen. I'm going to open the screen, going to Google, and suppose I'm taking keyword of Rekha, and she has written in her title female. No, I will not take the female keyword right now. Only solo backpacking safe. Okay, this is the keyword. So because people who are actually trying to go for solo backpacking, they will be searching for safety tips. Okay, so they will write this in Google search, and when they will write it, after that they will enter, and now you can see only 19,20,000 search results are there. So this means that you have less competition in the market. So your content can rank in Google search engine rankings. Okay, SERPs, SERPs. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that if you will do the work right now before anyone else, and you're focusing on this micro niche category, then you will be getting a lot of money in the long term. For the next 10 to 15 years, you will be able to earn money from the single article that you're going to write right now. Okay, so always focus on the long term and keep your eggs in different baskets. Don't keep your eggs in one basket. Okay, create different platforms for earning money. Okay, even for investments. Okay, so now let us go ahead, and solo backpacking safe is the keyword, and this is the search. These are the search results. Now I would recommend going down to at least 6 to 7 lakh, or like the best one is 4 to 5 lakh searches. Now how you will go down in that? Okay, suppose this is the first category, travel, a broad category. Now the second category below that, traveling in India. This is the next category. After that, solo traveling. Now can you see these search results are decreasing with each and every input? These are decreasing, these are going down. This is the way bloggers do. This is the reason they are able to generate so many dollars. The reason is that they are focusing on creating micro niche websites. Okay, they're creating their micro niche websites, and each website is generating some amount of money every month for them. Some people have opened up around launched around 100 200 websites like these, small, and each website is giving them 5-10,000 rupees per month. Okay, and this is a long term, and this is just like you're giving your property on rent. Okay, so now after solo traveling, you will go down and you will focus on solo women. Now the time is of women all over the world. Okay, solo woman traveling.
A traveler.
Yeah, solo woman traveler is also a good keyword. Now we will make it traveler. Nice. Okay, 89,30,000. So the search results are already down now. So now after that, what you will write? Solo female trekkers. 71,90,000 search results. Okay, then the same keyword that she has added over here, it is just 19,20,000. So now this title that Rekha is using is already in the low competition niche. Now this is one thing, like working on the low competition niche. Now you have done all your work and you're working in the low competition niche, but how you will get the content? Some people, Rekha is good, she's a backpacker and she knows all about the stuff, everything. Okay, she can write a lot of things on that. But when Ravinder is going to start, then she will think that what I'm going to do if I'm writing on this topic. For you also, I'm giving you those tips which will give you a lot of benefit in the future. Even if you are joining our sessions from day after tomorrow or not, this session is going to add value to each and every person's life, and that's my commitment. Okay, that's my guarantee. Now go to Amazon. Okay, so no, right now go to Facebook groups. Okay, in the Facebook groups, you need to go to backpackers group. In the backpackers group, join only those groups that have more than 5,000 members, and join only those groups those have 5,000 more than 5,000 members and where there is a lot of discussion going on, long discussions. Go ahead and find your area, your travel area that you are going to write. Suppose Rekha is going to Chopta in Uttarakhand. Okay, so now she has not been there, but she needs to write about that because she is actually creating a trailer over there. She has learned from some friend. She wants to make a story. Before going, she is doing the promotion part, so that when the article is launched, then all the people are running to read her article. Oh, she is there, she is there. I also want to go over there. Okay, so in this way. So when she has written something over there, all those bloggers, all those people, travelers, backpackers have written that content over there. Just go ahead and read that. What happened with them over there? What all nearby things they have visited? What hidden secrets they have visited? Create your content, copy those content from there. And I'm not saying that copy complete content and write it in your article. You need to take the ideas from there of real users, even though if you are not a real user. Okay, this same formula can be applied to each and every niche subject category. If Nikita, who is just 13 years and who is our student right now, and she wants to write something on like Risha is writing on bullet journaling, and Nikita doesn't know about bullet journaling, and she wants to write on it. So she will go in, first of all, she will read about that, and then she will go in those groups and find the real connection from there. Because when you will go to those groups, then those type of people who are dealing into backpacking, like Rekha, they will be actually talking about some, and they will be sharing some slangs over there, which only backpackers share. This is a very deep information that I'm going to give you over here. Okay, those people will be talking about some things which other people don't know about. When you will write on that and you're mentioning that in your summary or somewhere in your article, and Google will index it in, definitely it will be going to go up in the search engine results. Okay, so when the person who is like focusing on backpacking or something, when they will read it, they will immediately click on your article and read it. So this will actually help you focus on. Now you can go to other like sites. Like what other sites, Rekha? Which are focusing on traveling, backpacking sites. Some names you can give right now for examples.
Not a particular site that I'm following.
Forums. Give me the names of forums.
Usually, you've already mentioned that I'm a part of the backpacking group. So I give a lot of advice to people and I also take.
Super.
So
That's really great. Awesome. So now, suppose there are many websites that are like travel forums also over there. You just need to
yes.
go to Google and type over there travel forums in India, top travel forums in India, and you will be able to find a lot of forums over there. Just go ahead and join them, and over there, whatever discussion is going on, just take it from there, and then based on that discussion, start right. This is called review mining.
Okay.
Whatever things I am sharing with you in this session today, all these strategies are applied by top writers. Okay, you won't be able to learn these very quickly through internet. I have told you now you will search, you will find them, but otherwise no one will guide you like this. Okay, that's the main point. So now let us focus on the next part. Okay, now let us focus on the introduction. Okay, someone is writing something in the comment. Wiki Travel, yeah, Wiki Travel is good. Nice. There are more sites. I'm not remembering the names right now. Okay, yeah. Now after the summary, introduction. So she is starting like this. Backpacking is a well-known concept used by passionate travelers since a long time. This is a nice start, good one. But if you can start with some like this, some research, or according to Wikipedia, or according to something, some like valid point you want to add over here. If you can start like that, that will be also very helpful. Okay, backpackers are happier than. Pardon?
Sorry to interrupt, Sonny. I think it is like a reference where you want to point out. If I'm not wrong.
If you will add the reference in the beginning, so that makes like your article more powerful. That you are actually you're writing something based on your research or something. You're not writing like just like this. Okay. So according to recent research, backpackers are happier than people who spend most of the time at home. And now you can add whatever she has written in the further. Although her Rekha's like when I am like comparing it, her like whatever she's writing over here, it is good as compared to other people who are joining us in terms of grammar, in terms of sentence structure, and in terms of other things, because I think that she is already a good writer, I think. Okay, backpacking is a well-known concept used by passionate travelers since a long time, mostly in the European and American countries. Okay, so you should actually make your sentences short.
Okay.
The reason is that this will be actually helping the search engine also index your articles, and this will be also making the articles readable, easily readable by your readers. Okay,
this is exactly my problem, that I like write long sentences.
You're writing long sentences. I have seen
yes,
that.
Yes. Yeah. This is a habit.
Yeah. Okay, I will give you one tip over here. One important tip to avoid longer sentences. I do create a lot of written scripts before doing some of my sessions. Sometimes I just speak out. Sometimes when I need to provide some value, some new value, then I create slides on that. Okay, many things I do. I write about that also. So in the same way, if you will first of all complete your article, title, summary, introduction, then the body, in the body level headings, then after the level headings the conclusion, then in the conclusion, after the conclusion, the call to action. Okay, the call to action is the most important thing. You need to actually have some call to action all the time in your article, because it will create engagement, a lot of engagement. Okay, so now we were focusing on like the first part, the introduction, and like after the summary and introduction and the body, Then at that point in time, what I was talking about, I just missed that part right now. Longer sentences. Yeah, how to avoid that? To avoid longer sentences, you need to actually go ahead and complete the article and then read it in front of the mirror or record it on your mobile phone. And then when you're reading it, then try to, when you will be reading, then you will understand that you are actually not making sense when you are like writing long sentences. Okay. So now go ahead and apply that learning from these things to your article again and cut short the sentences. Okay. This is one
Sure.
way.
All right.
In this way, you will not require someone to read your article. You can this overcome this issue on your own. Okay.
Okay.
Now let us focus on the next part. Now, backpacking is a well-known concept used by passionate travelers since a long time, mostly in the European and American countries. Now it is gaining a lot of popularity in Asian countries, including India. Though this concept is being widely used in recent years to gain a sense of freedom and independence over planning trips with friends or family members. No, it's a very long sentence. So we'll actually divide it into two. Though this concept is...
We can remove the though, I guess.
you need to remove the concept also. Okay.
You can use
Okay.
off late instead of though.
To cut the sentence into two parts, I mean divide. I think if we remove the though, then the sentence can be completed using this concept is being widely used in
Or
recent
off
years.
late this concept. Off late this concept.
See, first of all, Rekha, one more thing which I want to guide you over here is, I am
Okay.
actually I don't think that this is a good sentence over here. Don't mind, but
Okay.
this is not a good sentence to use over here, because this is actually changing the meaning of the concept actually. Though this concept is being widely used in recent years to gain a sense of freedom and independence over planning trips with family or friends or family members. Okay. So, okay, you want to say
The backpacking concept is becoming popular, but
acha.
females
Okay,
are
you should actually speak it like, then write it like this now. You need to change the sentence. It is.
so basically I wanted to put the ratio of females as low. That is
So,
what I wanted to
you
do, but
have
what
actually,
Guma ke I've put here.
right now you have written for yourself. Now,
Yes.
when you are writing for your readers, then how to write it, I will just share with you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It is being widely used in recent years to gain a sense of freedom and independence. Over planning trips with friends or family members. Okay. This thing needs to be sorted out over here. It is being widely used in recent years to gain a sense of freedom and independence.
And preference, yeah, preference of traveling with friends and family
is
members
becoming a preferred choice as compared to planning trips with friends
Amazing.
or family members, where you are stuck with each individual's
Personal schedule.
personal schedule. Yes.
Good. This is good.
Okay, this is impactful.
Amazing.
Now over here. Now we will go to next part. We can see that the number of females choosing solo backpacking for traveling is quite, yeah, this is fine as it is today, but still today, but still we can see that the number of females choosing solo backpacking for traveling, actually backpacking is for traveling, so we can remove it, but still we can see that the number of females choosing solo backpacking is quite minimal. Okay. It is not that our Indian girls do not show interest in choosing to be solo backpackers. Okay, we will change it a bit. Indian girls show a lot of interest in choosing to be solo backpackers, and in fact they are quite fascinated about this concept. But there are several restrictions from the family members. Something you want to add over here, Rekha?
In safety point of view,
Huh?
in safety point of view, we can mention.
But there are several restrictions from the family members
Who are not
due to
quite
the
familiar.
safety issues. Hmm?
Safety, yes.
Due to the
Safety
safety
issues.
issues. Okay. Now, especially if an individual loves traveling and doesn't have to depend on any friend or family members to join as per their suitable schedule, one would not hesitate to plan such trips, right? But what about the...
So we've already covered.
Okay,
this.
now we have already covered it. Okay, so we can delete it. And okay, fine. Now let us go safety issues. Okay, now we have talked about the safety issues. Okay. Now in this part, because we have done the summary and the introduction till this part we have done. Now we will start providing some value. Okay. So what we will do is,
Okay.
now you've already provided the value, but you should be sharing it like this. Okay, this is fine. Safety issues have been, you will add this above in the above paragraph. Okay, we will take this part, we will add it above over here. Okay, safety issues have been a frequent topic. Safety issues have been a frequent topic of discussion, not only in India but also everywhere in the world. The question here is a female safe within her own four walls? Okay. So we'll write like this, but the question, something we can change over here, arises or something. But now the question is that, is a female safe within her own four walls, her own locality when she steps out, or even her own city? Okay. Is she safe in her own locality when she steps out, or even her own city? Okay, now it's fine. Now we will add some other thing. Females have strong intuitive powers if they use this power mindfully. Okay, additionally, there are certain ways and steps. Okay, females yeah, from here we can start giving the value. So I will tell you how to do it. Females have strong intuitive powers, and if they will use this power mindfully, they can use it for their own safety.
Again, long sentence.
Hmm?
That's my
Yeah,
weak
no,
point.
no, I am making it the following. We're talking about tips over here. Okay, 7 safety tips. The following tips are going to tell me something over here. The following tips are going to
Helpful for
be
the fascinated backpacking
help you
travelers.
as a solo
To become an expert
backpacker.
solo backpacker or safe traveler, something like that.
Yeah, but
Okay, the following tips are going to help you as a solo backpacker. You can change it afterwards if my what I'm writing is not fine. You don't feel as though, and
No, it's good. I am learning with an open mind.
okay.
It's good, really good.
good. You're learning something new and your antenna is open. Oh, that's the best thing. Okay, now
and everyone.
Yeah. The next point which we will add.
Yeah, it makes sense actually.
Anna, because you are providing value in paragraph, so it will look like something boring. So we will make it like in like sentences, like this. Numbers, number list. To read their gut feelings when the sixth sense sends strong signals of beware, beware before trusting a stranger. Okay. Now the second point. To not venture out alone. To not venture out alone and
Secluded places.
to secluded places. Yeah, this is better. Now the third point we can pick from below. Additionally, okay. Now instead of choosing a separate hotel room
Or accommodation.
for accommodation, you can
You
hire,
can stay in a
you can stay
in a hostel.
in a hostel. Okay. Now we can take the next point from here. Make great friends so that you can travel and explore
Your
your dream destinations and locations.
with some new co-travelers.
Yeah. Make great friends, make trusted friends so that you can travel and explore your dream destinations without hesitation. Okay. Now the next point. Okay, you can change it. Okay, I'm just adding my viewpoint over here. Okay, so you can add in this way, you will add several points. Okay, around 7 points, if you 7 tips you want to give over there. If you're choosing this title, 7 safety tips for solo female backpackers, you need to change the summary also a bit. Okay, and then
All right.
when you are completing these sentences, after that you will go down and you will add a conclusion over here. Okay, in the conclusion you need to sum up everything you have covered in your article. Okay, before that, one more thing which I wanted to add over here. You need to add a personal story or an anecdote. Okay, you can call an anecdote now. If you can add a hilarious moment, that would be really beneficial. If you can add something adventurous, that will be great. If you can add something thrilling, that will be 100 times better. Okay. Now conclusion, you need to sum up everything you have covered in your article. Now you need to add a call to action over here. Okay. Now one more thing which I want to say, when you're doing the review mining over there from Facebook groups and everything, then you need to add those points over here, somewhere over here after the points, as like you can say myths about solo backpacking, and then facts that on facts that only backpackers know. Okay. Now, after that, in the conclusion, then what is the call to action? In the call to action, you can tell them to tell your readers to write about their exciting solo backpacking trip. If they are thinking about going on their first trip, tell them to ask questions or doubts from you, and you will answer each question in the reply. Okay, this is something. Now, to make it more, to add more stars to this travel piece, what you need to do is you need to add travel advice or something. You need to add some map. If you have been to some place and you're adding a story about that, then below this personal story, suppose you have been to Kir Ganga, so add a map of reaching this destination in your article. I will tell you how to do that. Okay, we have everything
Okay.
for you. You can add a map
Okay.
map widget also. Yeah, map widget is
Okay.
available. We have got special travel widgets over there. Suppose you have been to Kir Ganga and so add a map of reaching this destination in your article. The map should start from A as a metropolitan city. Okay, and the final city. You can just add this one. Now what else? Suppose, okay, we are getting some comments also, some other major points which we can get from the comments from other guys. Okay, yeah, Shubhra is saying do not show your innocence to the strangers, so you can add this point over here. Very nice, Shubhra. Do not
Absolutely true.
give your weak points to strangers. Always be aware of over caring and over enthusiastic people who always say cool and chill. Let us chill out. Okay, these things you can give to your, these advices you can give to your daughters, right?
This is really nice.
Yeah, because I am also thinking
Absolutely.
when my daughter will be going
Absolutely.
on a backpacking trip, I will definitely give her this advice. When
Correct.
someone meets like you and the person says that let's chill out, let's be cool or something, then you need to be very aware, of that.
Very
Because,
important point.
okay,
First point, in fact.
and it happens in India because
Yes.
many men folk over there who are over there to do some mischief or something, they will try to connect with women like this. Okay.
Yes.
Now let us go ahead and okay. Anything else you want to add over here? We have added a lot of things, and any other points which we can add for the safety. Okay, let us now let now Rekha do the work, and we will see an article soon on our website, and I will share the link with Rekha where to publish it. Okay, once she takes the decision to join us, if she wants to join, it's completely up to you. My work is to give you all value. Whatever value I can give you, I'm going to give you guys. Now it is up to you whether you want to focus on going forward, because this is not one thing which is happening over here. I've got several other things each and every day, I think you can talk with Ravinder. She has just joined us a week back, and you can get the answer from her that each and every session is something different. Each time you are learning something new, not a boring thing, never. Okay. So now, because I am also not a person who is always sharing something, the same stuff again and again. I innovate. I try to actually make it entertaining each time with the new session. Okay. So now we have Shubhra, Ajay, Jen Shravika, and Siva, Nikita, Joseph, Ravinder, Abhilasha, and Rekha. So, guys, how you're feeling after this session? And now it's 9:09, and whatever your questions are, please ask from me. Where to publish, what to publish, how to write, and how to become famous. Anything you want to ask. Okay. Ravinder is saying wonderful session, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely wonderful and enlightenment. Like because see, we know something, and now it is like everything very keyful information, like how we need to start and where to end, and what are the things to be followed. Absolutely great.
Okay, Siva. Now, one thing which you people might be wondering about is that where your article is going to get published. Okay, I will just share with you. I will share with you my article. Okay. Where I've been writing since 13 years now. Suppose I'm typing Parashar Lake and thrilling. Oh, it is not coming like this. Parashar Lake thrilling. Okay, I will just add my username over there. It's coming in Twitter feed, I think. Okay, so this was something from my trip over there. And if we will click inside this video, if I'll go to this my account over there, and this is a separate account, only kept few videos over there just for fun, not an account that I'm using so much over there. Okay, let's go back. I think I'm like, okay, this is something which I've written on travel on Kasoni. How to reach Kasoni from Delhi, fuel cost, hotel fees, total cost of travel. Everything has been covered in this article. Okay. And then the photographs that I've shared over there. See, guys, it is not only about this sharing your travel articles over here. We are doing this session today, but we have already done sessions on various other topics and categories and loaded in the courses also. Okay. So I am just calculating all the how the spending also, everything, your accommodation, spending, resorts, huts, everything, and the map. Here's the map. Okay. Then rejuvenating Lansdowne. Then Harsil in Uttarakhand. then best route from Delhi to Dharmshala. Okay, so you can go through these things also, and if you will write Sony 2006 in Google search like this, then you will find my HubPages account. If you are writing Rajinder Soni, then also I think it will come. Rajinder Soni in Google search, LinkedIn, website, Twitter, and then Instagram. Now this is our site. Joined 13 years ago already, and written a lot of articles over there. You can go through these articles. You can read these one. Value additions for 6 important skills to become a successful digital writer. 9 ways to brand yourself as a freelance writer and get good rates from the clients. Okay, go through these articles also. And here you will find a couple of travel articles also, which I have written. Okay, so I'm just sharing the link over here. So this link, you can go further inside the website. But if you want to join this website, please don't join it right now from here. I will send you a personal link, and through that you can join. Okay, what should be the first step, or rather how to start about it? Yeah, definitely, Shravika, I will share all the information with you. The first step, if you want to join us today, is first of all, you need to sign up with our forum. I'm just sharing the link with you. You just need to type rajendrasoni.com/community in Google search. You can click on any link over here. Go to our community. Okay. Then click on login from here. I'm just sharing the sign up link with you. This is the sign up link. I'm adding this in the chat box over there. Yeah, Shravika. And all of you guys, please click on this link who have not done it till now. Click on this link and sign up. I will receive your email ID also. Suppose I am signing in, I'm logging in inside. You need to click on register, sorry. And once you're going inside, you will find all these threads which have been created. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to share this article, whatever we have learned over here. Okay. That also below Rekha's is female. See, these are the advertisements through which I am generating money right now from Google AdSense. Okay. So now Rekha, I will make it sticky for you guys so that you can go to Rekha's article and you can see that what we have done. I will approve your post from here and I will add my answers over here. Okay. Article titles, examples of different article titles, author's version, then 1, 2, then 3, 4, then the summary, then introduction. Okay. Guys, please download Grammarly free version. This will help you fix your articles, some issues, some commas here and there, everything. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now we'll fix it. Article usage is also a very common issue among Indians. People from other countries use articles very in the best way possible, but we are missing a lot of articles over here. Then add the reply like this, and everything is public. Okay, you can go ahead and check all these things. Go to this link. I'm just sharing this link also with you guys so that you can have a view of this article also over there. If you want to read it, if you want to learn that how this happened in the session. Okay, over here. Now coming back to, no worries. Now coming back to Shavika's concern, what should be the first step? Okay, your first step is to sign up. Then I will send you some training material. Okay, then you will send you a paragraph like this, like Rekha. And after that, I will send you a payment link. You need to actually pay the amount, the fees, and then your training will start. Now I will give you all the details. So you noted down everything, and even for a completely new topic, we can get the more ideas from review. Yeah, review mining. Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you want to see, I'm also giving a lot of prizes. In the last, I think 1 year, 3 months, I've paid almost 4 lakh worth of cash prizes and contest prizes and regular payments also to my writers. And those people have, all the people have shared their screenshots over here. Okay, this is the first post, all cash rewards over here. Then this is our separate group called Do You Want to Be Confident on Camera? And this is also happening. Then promote all your articles over here. Suppose when you're writing an article, after that you will be promoting your article over here. This is the next step for each person to help you become famous. This is the format: article title, then description, article link, then hashtags. And your hashtag is also going to become famous with the Digital Writerpreneurs hashtag. Suppose your name is Rekha and your surname, then you will add your hashtag also below your post, because this will give a signal to the search engines and to the social media algorithms that you are someone who is getting rated with the Digital Writerpreneurs ecosystem, and you will start ranking up. Okay, see, Risha is doing this. Risha has shared article title bullet journaling, then description, which is a different description than whatever she has mentioned in the main article, then hashtags, bullet journaling, productivity, Risha Khan, then Digital Writerpreneurs. Okay, please note down the spelling also of Digital Writerpreneurs. You can also search with this key term in Google. Suppose you want to search Digital Writerpreneurs payments. Everything is available online. You will type Digital Writerpreneurs payments like this. And if you click on images, you will see a lot of screenshots over here. Okay. Suppose you want to see this screenshot or this one, 5,700 cash price. Okay, everything is available online. So now let us focus on, now the hashtag part, and then your sign up link. Please share the sign up link also with other people so that they can also join our forum. Suppose there is a visitor in the forum and they will join us from there. Okay. So I'm just sharing this also with you guys. Now, anything else? Any other questions? I'm just going through the question again. Okay, fine. I'm just stopping the screen share now. Okay, guys. So now you guys might have got some value. If you want to join Digital Writerpreneurs Hub, go to a forum, add your post over there that I want to join the forum, and I will get share the steps with you to help you come inside. And please, this is the right time to join us right now, because I am offering the best thing right now. I'm offering up to 70% discount on my model course right now. The reason is that the year is going to end. The corona is going to end with the vaccine. So it's all good news all over there. Till Christmas, this offer is on. If you want to enroll in this one, please join us. Even if you want to not join our the complete package or something, you can start with the 30-day one. In the 30-day package, you will get 44 hours of recordings. You will get 15 live sessions with me directly every alternate day. In 30 days, 15 live sessions, 44 hours of recordings, and then you will get a Digital Writerpreneur certificate after passing your DW bootcamp, which consists of only 5 featured articles. Okay, and then you will also get a 500 rupees cash prize from me, and you will be promoted all over the social media on my LinkedIn group, channels, Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, email campaigns, everywhere. The reason is why I do this activity. The reason is that I want to make your brand famous as a writer. Okay. With this, you will be able to, you don't have to knock the doors of your clients, although the clients are also there. I'll be also connecting you with your first client, but those are like, let some things be secrets over here. Okay. A lot of value it will give, it will tell you about a lot of value in the beginning, then there will be no surprises. Okay. So there are many other surprises which I am not telling you right now, and other people have already enjoyed these ones. Okay. So now we have got Siva, Shubhra, Ajay, Shravika, Ravinder, Joseph, Nikita, and Rekha and Ravinder. Thank you so much for joining this session. If you want to connect with me, you can send me a WhatsApp message on 72918495002. Otherwise, go to rajendrasoin.com, click on WhatsApp us, and the WhatsApp will come to directly to me. Hey Team W, let's go further and enroll. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Blessings. Anything else you want, you can just directly send me a message and I will help in that. Now it's already 9:25, so we need to close the session. Bye. Take
Thank you
care.
so much, Rajinder.
Thank you so
Welcome,
much.
welcome.
Thank you.
Take care,
Thank you.
take
I
care.
enjoyed the
Great day
session
ahead.
and
Bye-bye.
it's a value add.
Hope you are
Really, thank you.
hope
I'm
you are all
grateful to
taking the
you.
decision now. Very nice. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Good night. Bye.